Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will learn about command event as well as command name and command argument properties. Button control in ASP.NET can rise, click and command event. So it can rise either click or command event when the button is clicked. Button control in ASP.NET can rise, click and command event when it is clicked. So there are two events, right? One is click and another one is command. With the command event, we can send command arguments to the server. A button can also be tied to command text, and in the server we can use this text to know the sender of the event. So command name property sets the command text, and command argument property sets the argument for the button, right? So here we are talking about three stuff. One is the command event. So like on click, you can handle on command event, and when you are using the command event, you can use the command name property as well as command argument property. Say if you have a web form, and let's state that the web form contains multiple buttons, right? Each will perform a specific action on the server. Let's assume like that. And in this case, the command as well as the command name and command argument, all these three stuff will come in handy. And in the server, we can know which button is clicked by the user, and at the same time you will get an argument tied to the command event. So you can make use of the argument and take necessary action. So simply it's kind of having a multiple submit action in one form. Now let's go to demo and see how it works. Adding a web form. So here if you see, we have a label, first name, and there is a text box to get the text name. After that we have one more label and one more text box. Then we have a button, first name first and last name first. There are two buttons. For this button, let us look at what are the property we are setting. We have the ID, right? Then we have command argument, and we are passing command argument as FF. FF stands for first name first. Then command name is concat. Then event what we are handling is on command. So instead of on click, this time we are submitting the form using the on command event. And the event routine what we want to call is concat underscore command. Text first name first, that is what displayed here. The same way, if you look at ID, runner server, everything will be same here. ID. So here for the second button we assigned ID, and command argument here is FL. So here it is FF, here it is FL. You can put any string here just to know which button is clicked on the server side. So from server side, by checking this string, you can know that btn FL is clicked by the user. And the command is concat. Here also command is concat. And on command, if you see, the same routine we are going to use. So inside this routine, using the command argument, we will differentiate which button is clicked by the user. Finally, we have a label control. Alright, now let's go to the property. Here we just selected the button, or you can go to the design view and okay, we'll click save all, build the solution once. Now we will select this button, go to properties, events, and here if you see, the command is already showing the entry here, because in the form we specified that entry on command, concat command. That's why in the property window you can see that, but in the code behind we see only the page load. So now let's go back to property. Right, double click here, it will bring you to the concat command. And if you look at, both are pointing to the same event handler. Right, here also it is pointing to the same event handler. So when you look at the arguments here, sender and command event args and e dot command name, right? E is command event arg, right? From there we are checking the command name. When command name is concat, then we are checking the command argument, e dot command argument dot to string ff, right? First name first. So if command name is a first name first, here we are concatenating the first name first and then last name next. So if the command argument is FL, first name last, and if you look at here, command argument is FL, right? So if that is the case, then we will append the last name first, then towards the tail we will append the first name. Now let's save and rebuild this solution and run this. So it will be useful when your form contains multiple buttons. So both will perform the submit, but instead of handling the click, this time we are handling the command event. So let's click first name first, and you can see it prints Ram Kumar, last name first Kumar Raman, Raman Kumar and Kumar Raman. So based on the command and command argument, we take necessary action. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.